Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and enabling the one setting that lets the bootloader move. This prevents simple mistakes. First, back up everything because unlocking erases user data. Once done, open Settings, find Build Number and tap 7 times to unlock developer options, then enable USB debugging. Make sure OEM unlock is visible and switched on. If it's grayed out, sign into the device's primary account and wait up to 7 days for the toggle to become active. You'll now perform the unlock with ADB and Fastboot, which talk directly to the bootloader. First, confirm your PC recognizes the device with a DB devices. If it shows unauthorized, accept the prompt on the phone. Reboot to bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader or the device key combo. Once in bootloader, run Fastboot devices to confirm connection, then issue the appropriate command, Fastboot OEM unlock or Fastboot flashing unlock, following on-screen prompts. This writes the unlock flag and wipes data. You finish by rebooting and restoring user data, and you'll know it worked when the device boots into the OS without OEM lock warnings. After Fastboot reboot, wait patiently. First boot can be several minutes while partitions rebuild. Once booted, set up your account and restore the backup, then re-enable screen lock and any encryption you need. If the device fails to boot or the unlock didn't take, check drivers, try a different USB cable and port, and repeat Fastboot commands or use the manufacturer's recovery tool.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.